Hi everyone, so my name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Netflix tutorial we're gonna learn how you can delete continue watching on your Netflix profile. And as you can see under my continue watching, I have a lot of these videos which I have not finished, and I want to remove this from this continue watching. So to do this, just go up to the top right corner, click on your profile image, go down, click on account, and go down to this one, profile and parental controls. Choose your profile, click on this arrow, go down, click on viewing activity. Alright, so here you see the activity for your profile. So to delete the continue watching movies and series, just go to the right of the movie or series, click on this one, hide from viewing history. Alright, so just click on that. Okay, so within 24 hours, this will no longer appear in the Netflix service as a title you have watched and will no longer be used to make recommendations to you unless you watch it again. Okay, so just click on all the videos you don't want to have in the continue watching. So you can delete them one by one, but if you want to delete all of the videos, you can just click on this one, hide all. So are you sure? So are you sure you want to hide your entire viewing activity on this profile? This cannot be undone. Within 24 hours, these titles will no longer be used to make recommendations to you and will not be shown as watched on Netflix unless you play this title again. Okay? If you're sure, click on yes, hide all my viewing activity, or click no, I changed my mind. So I'm gonna click on yes, hide all my viewing activity, like so. Let's go back to Netflix. And as you can see, the continue watching is gone. Okay everyone, so this is how you can delete your continue watching on Netflix in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one and want more of these videos, you can subscribe right here in the corner. You can also check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.